Hello friends, shares of SENORES Pharmaceuticals Limited debuted on Monday with a strong premium of over 53% against the issue price of 391 rupees. On BSE, the stock opened at 539 rupees, marking a 51.84% rise and later surged further to 609 rupees, reflecting 55.75% increase. On NSE, it listed at 600 rupees, showing a premium of 53.45%. The company's 582 crore initial public offering saw a robust investor demand, being oversubscribed 93.69 times on the final day of bidding. The IPO was offered in a price band of 372 rupees to 391 per share. Adani Enterprises Limited announced on Monday its decision to fully divest its 44% stakes in Adani Wilmar to prioritize its infrastructure platforms. The exit is expected to be generating over $2 billion through a two-step process involving an offer for sale and a sale to Wilmar. As per the agreement signed on December 30, 2024, Lens Private Limited will acquire about 31.06% of Adani Wilmar, while Wilmar will purchase the remaining stakes at a price not exceeding 305 rupees per share. To meet the minimum public shareholding requirement, Adani Enterprises will also be offloading around 13% of its shares in Adani Wilmar. Following this announcement, Adani Wilmar stock closed 1.81% lower at 323 rupees. JSW Energy announced its wholly owned subsidiary JSW Neo Energy Limited will acquire a 4,696 megawatt renewable energy platform from O2 Power Pooling Private Limited for an enterprise value of 12,468 crores. This definitive agreement involves acquiring renewable energy platform from O2 Power, a venture jointly established by EQT Infrastructure and Temasek. Shares of JSW Energy have risen by 67% from that 52-week low of 404 rupees in January 2024. However, the stock has corrected nearly 17% from its 52-week high of 804 rupees in September 2024, with little movement over past 1 month. Jefferies Global Head of Equity, Chris Wood, has introduced HDFC Bank into the Asia ex-Japan long-only portfolio with 4% weightage, following its recent underperformance. Siemens India, whose shares have remained flat over past 6 months, has also been added to the portfolio with a weightage of 4%. To accommodate these additions, the portfolio reduced allocations in Macrotech Developers, Larsen & Toubro, ICICI Bank, and Axis Bank by 1% each, according to the Greed and Fear note. Siemens will also be introduced with a 4% weightage in India long-only portfolio, replacing AU Small Finance Bank. Additionally, the allocation to HDFC Bank in this portfolio will be increased by 1%, offset by trimming the allocations in the previously mentioned 4 stocks. The ex-Japan long-only portfolio includes names like Zomato, SBI, SBI Life, Godrej Properties, Macrotech Developers, and private banks such as HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, and ICICI Bank. It also features strong infrastructure and industrial players like GMR Airports, L&T, and Siemens. Nifty 50 traded in a narrow range during the previous week, recovering slightly from the sharp correction during the previous week. The Nifty 50 index remained below its 200-day moving average, a key psychological support level amidst subdued trading and persistent foreign fund outflow. Foreign institutional investors were net sellers for 3 consecutive weeks, offloading shares worth 6,322 crores in the cash market. In contrast, domestic institutional investors supported the market by purchasing a value of 10,927 crores. According to NSE data, FIIs appeared to have started January series on a negative note. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button to express your support and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.